An antique pencil sharpener would appear to be an unusual item to discuss on our channel, but writing is a form of communication and is essential to recording information, placing it solidly in our wheelhouse. Pencils are the best long-term writing utensil available to us, as they simply don't dry up, leak, or freeze up. They can have their marks erased, the eraser being the part that ages least well, but it makes an excellent field contact cleaner for exposed electrical contacts. Pencils can be maintained with a blade or an abrasive surface if need be, and that's just scratching the surface. What we have here on our desk is a Boston Champion desktop pencil sharpener from the late 50s, perhaps early 60s, and as a testament to its design and construction, it's still soldiering on 6+ decades later. When we were growing up, the pencil sharpener fixed to the wall was a fixture in every classroom, and this sharpener shares many of the characteristics of those sharpeners. The metal construction, the manual operation, the way the sharpener captures its own shavings. The way you can replace the cutter if need be are all common characteristics of this type of sharpener and the ones that we had in the classroom. Now, where this pencil sharpener differs from the ones we were used to in the classroom is the way it holds the pencil. You can see it uses a spring-loaded collet here, and it's also attached to a couple of helical compression springs that are inside the housing. Now, this right here provides the force to draw the pencil into the sharpener while you manipulate it without having to have the pencil sharpener itself affixed to a fixed object. This gives our sharpener the ability to be placed on a desktop or used just about anywhere, and giving it some portability. So let's go ahead and sharpen a pencil with this. You can see here, you just open your collet, pull this out, place your pencil inside your cutter as such, and you can see just how sharp it sharpens that pencil. You know, fortunately, you can still get these relatively inexpensive. I paid $19.95 for this particular one. I had to put some elbow grease into it with some 4/0 steel wool and then clean and lubricate the mechanism. But, you know, giving it that service was probably the only time it's ever been serviced in its lifetime, and this thing will most likely provide service beyond my lifetime. I hope this helps. This is Brad from SurvivalComms. Till next time.